So this is how to build not the TV, but some of this controller for the TV, Nintendo Switch. And this is what you can make whatever you want on any size of TV you want. And also there's this stand, this white stand that goes right there. So first, this piece, well, that piece. Then this and this, and then this goes on this. And then you're gonna need this and this. And we're done with one of those for it. And then this we're gonna need for wait, no, not this. I'm gonna need this. And then you're gonna need this. And let's do this. And then you're gonna need this, right? Another one of these. But only with one of these yellow squares. And this goes right over here. And then almost done with the controller. Oops. And then you grab one of these black ice cream cones. And then, where did that go? Teddy, where did it go? I can't find it.
Right over down there on the ground, right?
This piece. And then you're gonna connect these two and put it right up here. And if you're saying, what are these wrists? Well, what is this doing around here? And this and this. You're just gonna need to get this and this piece. You can't really see it because this table is black. And then you get this and put it on the black thing. Then you're gonna need this piece. Then put it on the black thing. And then we're done with this building tutorial.